I like to practice what I call the 5-10-15-20 rule. This will guarantee your ability to maximize your tasting experience. 5 refers to the timing. When you get your wine, timing of 5 days to let the wine sit and relax and acclimate before you jump in and start popping bottles. Imagine if you got off an airplane traveling halfway around the country and then somebody asked you to do something immediately. You need a little break. 10 refers to the fact that you need to take at least 10 minutes before you start to just get yourself set up. Put out your glasses, put out your tasting mat. Take those bottles that are white, throw them in the refrigerator. Take those bottles that are red, maybe throw them in the refrigerator a little bit too, just to pop the fruit. 15 refers to the fact that you want the wine to sit inert in the glass for at least 15 minutes before you swirl it, smell it, or go into it. 15 minutes of inert time will actually allow the wine to start to unravel appropriately with ambient oxygen in the room. After 15 minutes, that's when you can jump in, start swirling, tasting, writing your notes. The 20 refers to the fact that after you start tasting an individual glass, go back about 20 minutes later and top it off a little bit. For those of you who are Scotch drinkers out there, you know that a couple of drops of water into a good single malt Scotch brings out all the aromatics and the spirit. Well, the same is true of the wine. Having a little bit of wine on there to refresh it both for flavor, aromatics, and actually temperature in the case of the whites will do a lot to make your experience the best it can possibly be. So, in summary, what are we going to do? Practice 5, 10, 15, 20 every time we get a kit. If you go through the 4 steps that I just outlined, I promise you that your experience with Master the World will indeed help you master the world of wine.